Right, sorry, but there's the state of my bag. That's kind of like conditions that we were working under. I just couldn't get my. It was we started at 7 o'clock this morning, set off at 6, and it was just so cold, and I just couldn't get my hands out my gloves. Sorry, and my hands were still freezing in the gloves, but let's go. Richard's general stuff he hasn't put out, but he found some bits and pieces. Firstly, a really nice silver ring. It's got nice markings on it. Broken. A signet ring, I think it's called. Look, see the markings? Really nice markings on there. And yeah, he had a good day today. Gold ring. Don't think it's anything brilliant quality. You can see the hallmarks there. Maybe there. It's 9 carat, 9.375. So yeah, a couple of nice rings that he pulled out of the mud. 47 sixpence. Didn't have a lot of time because the tide was really coming in quickly, and God, you got to be really careful of those tides if anyone does hit the beach. You know, really careful. Anyhow, that's Richard's finds, so I will show you mine later. Okay, quick run through of my finds. Already been through Richard's. So we've got a load of lead weights, toy car, scrap, probably a silver plated handle. It's a plate, could be something to do with the war. Scrap brass, scrap coins, not many coins really. It's quite interesting. Probably just manufactured though, nothing old, I don't think. Bullets. Some really quite amazing bullets actually. Obviously musket ball. This is a size and a half. I don't know what bullet this would be. Anyone know? Please advise. Made from lead. What about this? I think Richard's found one of these. Not as silver in colour as this though. Can't be silver. Seems like some kind of like alloy. Quite heavy. Definitely a bullet. So what else we got? Oh yeah, this token thing. It's not a bag seal. It's got some letters or whatever going on. Made from lead. HV. Little gold ring. Charles ring, silver plate, gold, 9 carat. Don't know which way is the right way around. So yeah, and Richard gave me the relic of the day, which is, have a look at this. What do you reckon that is? It is a massive lead bar. It must weigh, oh, I don't know, 20 to 30 pounds I would say. And it wasn't so, it was in the mud about 12 inches down, but not further because it hit some kind of like hard sandy soil kind of go. See, ISIS likes this. It's one of her favourite finds. I don't know ISIS. And it's got FR, possibly Y, Fry. So made from lead. It's got some black coating on. I thought it was ballast, and that's what ISIS thought it was, but she's so happy she's purring. Oh, and Lucy's coming in. Let's have a look too. So there we go. That's my best find. Obviously I'll just scrap it. There's some letters on there. Probably not. So it's coated with this black paint, and it's a massive chunk of lead. And it's got that there. Got it 2.5 weight a ton. So yeah, if you know, if you're in agreement with ISIS or Lucy about this bar being anything other than lead, that's probably wrong. But anyhow, there we are. So there you go. So the scrap man's going to be happy, and that probably is, I don't know how much it's worth in scrap. Anyhow, that's your lot. Take care, happy hunting, and I hope you strike gold soon.